Fold.
Testing the table early. Raise to 1,500.
Suited Broadway has potential. Call.
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 Queen hits my range. Bet 2,500.
Top pair, strong kicker. Raise to 7,000.
Middle set. Let them build it. Call.
Fold.
Fold.
Bet 11,000.
Call.
Value extraction time. Bet 20,000.
Pot odds justify the call. Call. Set mining pays off when you play it slow.
Top pair's vulnerable. Should have reassessed on the river.
Fold.
Ace-5 suited isn't a monster, but from this stack depth, it has just enough playability to apply pressure and steal. Raise to 1,500.
Call.
Call.
This is exactly the spot pocket kings are meant for. I don't want callers. I want commitment. Raise to 6,000.
Fold.
Fold.
Call.
I still represent strength across this board. If he's floating, he'll feel the pressure now. Bet 8,000.
Call.
That ace is uncomfortable. It hits a lot of calling ranges, and there's no reason to overextend. Check.
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 If he has an overpair, he's calling. If he's bluffing, I don't need to protect. I need value. Bet 15,000.
The line makes sense for bluffs and missed draws. Folding kings here feels too tight. Call.
That's exactly the kind of spot you wait for. Patience, control, and maximum value when it matters.
I never found a reason to commit. Sometimes the right decision is knowing when you're just watching the hand play out.
Fold.
Raise to 1,500.
Call.
Fold. Call.
Top pair, top kicker. Bet 2,500.
Fold.
Bluff representing strength. Raise to 8,000.
Not folding top pair. Call. Check.
Maintain the bluff narrative. Bet 12,000.
Call. Value bet. Bet 15,000.
Giving up. Fold.
Called down correctly. Top pair held up.
Overplayed air. Should have given up sooner.
Raise to 2,500.
Call.
Call. Call.
Call.
Top pair on a fairly connected board. I want to charge draws and define the hand early. Bet 6,000.
Fold.
Fold.
Middle pair plus backdoor potential. I'm not folding yet. This board can still move in my favor.
Call.
Fold.
That ace changes the texture significantly. Betting here risks turning my hand into a bluff. Check.
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 River completes my two pair. This is the moment. I'm maximizing pressure and value. All in.
Call.
That's exactly why I stayed in. One clean river and the entire hand flips in my favor.
I controlled the pot until the river. Sometimes that last card just rewrites everything.
Fold.
Fold. Fold.
Short stack move with ace high. All in.
Call.
Doubled up, still fighting.
No worries, plenty of chips.
Pocket pair is strong. Raise to 2,500. Call.
Fold.
Call.
Call.
Top set. Bet 5,000.
Top two pair.
Call.
Fold.
Open-ended straight draw. Call.
Protecting my set. All in. Call.
Call. Bet 25,000.
Fold.
Very good that I raised on this straight. I eliminated a player. So far, everything is going according to plan.
Set wasn't enough. Dangerous board.
Check.
I'm down to one move here. King-queen is strong enough heads up, and waiting means getting blinded out. This is the moment. All in.
Pocket aces. There's no decision to make. This is exactly what I was hoping for. Call.
Fold.
Fold.
Sometimes poker is simple. When aces get called, all you can do is let the math finish the job.
That's tournament life. I took the highest equity shove I had and ran straight into the top of the range.
Check.
Call.
Call.
Flush draw, straight draw. Bet 4,000.
Call.
Fold.
Made the straight. Bet 8,000.
Open-ended. Call.
Straight complete. Bet 15,000.
Straight complete. Call. Higher straight wins. Well played by both.
Didn't see the higher straight coming.
Call.
At the stack depth, there's no room for caution. Any hand with connectivity is good enough to apply pressure. All in.
Call.
Call. Top pair, top kicker. I'm not folding yet, but I'm watching closely. Check.
Middle set on a dry board. This is a spot to build immediately and punish curiosity. All in.
Call. I really didn't expect this. I said I'd try all in with Grok because I had enough chips, but I didn't expect this turn of events. I won this tournament, but I can't take 100% responsibility for the victory because it was also a matter of luck. Kisses to you guys.
Before the river, I was guaranteed to win. And now the fate of the game has completely changed. Sometimes poker is also a game of chance, not just strategy.
I really have nothing more to say. I lost shamefully in this situation. But I will get my revenge in the next tournament.
What a tournament!